My name is Bobby Lith. I use he, him, his pronouns. I am the Student Parent Resource Navigator here at Western Technical College.
And I'm Rachel Iaquinta, she, her pronouns, and I'm the new residence director here.
My role is to not only be a learning partner in my students' educational experience, but also their first friend here at Western Technical. I do my best to operate from a whole family perspective and seeing that their child or their dependent is part of that educational experience as well.
My role consists of supervising our community assistants. I connect residents to resources, help with some programming, also provide academic support on building a really positive, community-driven culture and help them to be successful in the hall. I want to hear your version first.
My version, okay. A director position was available at UW Eau Claire, and that's where I applied and received an offer for that. And that's where Rachel and I first met, at least in the professional sense. I just learned very early on that she was an incredible person. I wanted to learn more about her.
When it came to the relationship side of things, the moment I met Bobby, I knew I wanted to be with him for the rest of my life. So it just took about 8 months of my gentle convincing, and I realized that I was ready for a change. Yeah, convinced him to come here, and then he found a job right away too. And so we're really happy to be here, and we love Western.
When we're not at work and we have some free time, we'll go out and we'll camp, we'll hike. Rachel learned how to fish last summer, so we're in competition for this summer for the biggest fish. And
we play a lot of card games. We go to coffee shops and hang out. We also especially like talking with each other about things that aren't necessarily related to work. To remind ourselves, yeah, that we are people outside of our jobs.
Can you tell me about Louie, your pet? I mean, what's that story? How long have you had?
Yeah, I should probably answer this one because I got...
And what are they?
Yeah, Louie's a black lab pit bull mix. I got him in 2019. He is our little medical disaster. A friend of mine once said that the animal hospital in Eau Claire should have a wing named after Louie because of how much money I've spent there. But yeah, besides all of his like medical issues, he's made it to age 7, which in my mind is a miracle. And it also did not take long for Louie to warm up to Bobby and see him maybe as his favorite, but I try not to dwell on that too much. So. About 3 years ago, I decided to join the local roller derby team in Eau Claire. Just went to my first practice here with the Mississippi Valley Mayhem, and I'm looking forward to growing my skills in that area.
I would say something fun about me is that I DJ'd for about 15 years before I kind of hung up the headphones.
Are you going to say what your DJ name was?
My DJ name when I was more active was DJ Digits. Yes, as in your digits. Yeah. I'm captivated by bald eagles. I saw my first bald eagle, I want to say maybe 7 or 8 years ago, and it was actively feeding, and so it came and it swooped down and it grabbed a fish right from the water's surface. That was a very, very profound moment for me. So I'd say bald eagle.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. My answer is kind of boring, but I'm taking the pragmatic lens. I think I would really like to be a dog in a family that has access to like the best food, you know, because then I could count on getting pets all of the time and having a lot of attention and good food. Yeah.
Nice.
It feels safe. Bobby is somebody who I really look up to, and I'm just drawn to him because I think he's just a really good role model. He's a person who, you know, when you're talking to him, you're the only person in the room, and he makes people feel important and valued. And he is one of the most inclusive people I've ever met, and just, I think, welcomes people into conversation with ease and comfort. He inspires me to try to be a better person and to, yeah, I think, interact with people the way that he does.
I think for me, a person who inspires me quite a bit, I would say is my mother. She is mother of 6 children. Having arrived to the country with English being her 4th language, you know, raising us in the way that she did and being there for the ways that she was. And I feel like that's something that kind of shapes and guides how I interact with my parents and my students. And that's largely due to my mother and how she raised me as a young person.
Ever since we stepped foot on this campus, we felt incredibly welcomed and embraced by everybody that we've met. And it's also just such an honor and a privilege to get to see other faculty and staff who really center students in everything that they do. Yeah, you can feel it, you can see it, and yeah, it's really incredible.